a gentleman author reached out to me on WhatsApp and he was like, Joshua, I trust that you will deliver on your promise. I trust that you will show me how I can build a standardized website, put products on 500 products, 400 products, 1,000 products, and I trust that you will show me how I can start making money online. And I said, of course, I am not just in business for making money for myself. I am actually there to show people how you can make money for yourself. You got it. Business isn't just about me making money. I want to make money. I want to live a successful lifestyle. I want to be rolling in the money. No, there has to be a deeper purpose, a deeper reason. Your reasons are what will separate you from the competitors. The reasons why are you doing what you are simply doing? Is it your purpose? Are you called to actually serve, to help, to assist people for them to better their financial life, their financial perspective for themselves, for their family? And think of the families you are going to help, you are going to serve, you are going to feed, right? With your intellectual mindset, your open, broader perspective on the possibilities, on being optimistic, into teaching people how they too can discover the possibilities, the goodness of starting to generate certain income patterns and habits, or online working on their smartphone. And that is what I'm all about, showing and teaching people that, you know what, you never done this before, and now you can change that narrative into building things for yourself, starting your own things, and you too can start spreading the goodness and showing other families and people how they too can start earning money online, having their own businesses, working in their own free time, spare time, or whichever time they have available. So if you want to learn more, drop me a comment ready and I'll share with you all information. Like this video, share this video, save this video. Thank you and you're welcome.